In this video, we will be showing you how to fix the Delta Executor and Roblox upgrade problem. So one way to do so is to directly go to the app info in your Roblox app. So just long press the icon and that should appear. Next, as you can see, once you're here, there is a force stop button, and then you just press on that button and confirm. Okay, once you've done that, you will go to your Play Store. Now here you check for any updates in the actual app. So as you can see here, Roblox has no updates, which means it should be in its latest versions. So mine works as good and real properly, but if you still do get the problems, then don't worry, they will give another update for the Delta Executor soon enough. But that's one way to fix the Roblox upgrade problem or Delta Executor fix. That's all. Thank you.